Last time we skimmed through Excel's layout, but before we go deeper, the true first step is learning how to navigate the app itself. Move through cells, select ranges, edit, zoom, save, and switch sheets, clearly step by step. Let's do that right now. Let's have a look at a few mouse basics. So, a left click selects a cell, and a double click allows you to edit the cell. Then we have the right click, which opens a specific context menu. You can, for example, also use the mouse wheel to scroll, and then Ctrl plus the wheel to zoom in and out. Let's see a few keyboard movements. The arrow keys move one cell. If you click Enter, the cell goes down. But then, if you click Shift and Enter, it goes up. If you want to move right, click the Tab button. But then, Shift plus Tab moves you left. The other thing is, if you click and hold Ctrl and use the arrow, it jumps to the edge of your data. Ctrl+Home goes to A1, Ctrl+End to the last used cell. You can also use Page Up, Page Down, which moves a screen at a time, and Ctrl, Page Up, Page Down, which switches worksheets. Click and drag if you want to select something in your Excel file. Or you can click the first cell and then Shift plus click on the last cell to select a rectangle. Shift plus arrows grows the selection. Then Ctrl+A selects the current region, and if you press it again, it selects the whole sheet. Shift plus space selects a row, and Ctrl plus space selects a column. Type anything on your keyboard to put it in a cell. And then, if you want to edit it in that place, click F2. Escape cancels that, and Enter confirms. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy-paste, Ctrl+X to cut, Ctrl+Z to undo, and Ctrl+Y to redo. There is a neat little option called the fill handle or AutoFill. This little square is the fill handle. Drag it to copy a value or a formula. Double-click it to fill down automatically to the end of your neighbor list. At the bottom right is the zoom and status bar slider. You click 100 to reset it. When you select a number or a group of numbers, the status bar shows the average, count, and sum instantly. Right-click the status bar to choose which items you will see. At the bottom are the sheet tabs. Click the plus for a new sheet, double-click a tab to rename, and drag to reorder. Excel is an app made by Microsoft. And just like other Windows apps, for example, you can use things like right-click for options, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z, they all work the same, and the top ribbon is your toolbar. A quick tip at the end. If you want to see a full list of Excel shortcuts, go to the Help tab, then click Help. Once it loads, type keyboard shortcuts, and there you have an article about the Excel keyboard shortcuts. And that's it. Now you can move confidently in Excel. See you soon.